Sunlight is still breaking through these heavy clouds, but keep watching, the first raindrops will soon change the view. A bright opening surrounds the hidden sun, while a thin ribbon of blue remains beneath the darker cloud cover. As the view shifts beneath the station canopy, the clouds appear lower and heavier, filling nearly the entire sky. The view settles, and the American flag below becomes a steady reference against the constantly changing clouds.
Anything more, want to do this for you wholeheartedly.
Around the sun, brilliant white edges form and disappear as gray fragments pass across the brightest part of the sky. The blue opening remains visible near the center, but its edges tighten as thicker cloud gathers from both sides.
They will come, they will come. Like the sun, like the sun. They will.
Light now spreads through several thin places at once, creating a soft glow across the uneven underside of the clouds.
Can't really be enticed, although it's very nice. In my space I feel most comfortable. Choose what you like.
The flag continues moving in the wind below, while the brighter cloud edges above slowly lose their sharp definition.
Choose to feel yourself, choose to transcend, choose to be your own friend. Yeah. They will.
The sky becomes more uniformly gray, although small blue gaps still interrupt the cloud layer near the horizon.
Like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be. Everything.
The hidden sun still marks its place with a pale glow, but the surrounding clouds now look denser and darker.
They will come, they will come. Like the sun, like the sun.
Raindrops begin collecting on the windshield, softening the flag in clouds while the remaining blue nearly disappears.
Everything.
In only a few minutes, filtered sunlight has given way to rain. See you on the next road. Goodbye.